back today with another Jeep video. I think I'm gonna start saying that as my intro. Back today with another Jeep video. Sounds like a good thing for me to say. Anyways, I got some cool stuff for you guys today. I got a fuel rail here and some 4-hole injectors. So the reason I'm doing this is because I don't know if any of you know this or are aware of this, but these Cherokees have a problem with these 4.0s and the fuel rails. So basically what happens is this gets so heat soaked in here that it'll actually hydro lock, or vapor lock I suppose, vapor lock the fuel rail, and well, your Jeep won't run. I mean, I had it happen a couple times already, and I'm hoping that this will combat that. I'm also putting in these 4-hole injectors to try to get some better performance out of it maybe. I've heard some mixed reviews on them, and I got them for free, so can't complain. Yeah, let's go ahead and get into that. I'm gonna get you guys set up over there so you can see better what I'm doing, and I will explain to you what we're going to do, what needs to be done, how we're going to do it, and what the end result's going to be. Let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to be greeted with is your throttle cables. You need to get them out of the way, and then down at the throttle body, they're actually really easy to get off. So this one, you pretty much just push it forwards, and then it's going to slide out. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's literally just slides into place. Same thing with this bottom one. Okay, and then this back one here, I'm going to use a pair of needle nose pliers. It literally pops right out, and she's off. Okay, so you got your 3 throttle cables out of the way. I think they're throttle cables. I don't know, someone might correct me. Okay, so go ahead and bust these loose. Go ahead and get those out of the way. I'm gonna lay them over to towards the passenger side for now. Don't set them on your battery like I almost just did. Just throw them out of the way. And then take your bolts and stick them where you're not gonna lose them. I'm probably gonna forget they're there. We'll figure that out later. Okay, next step. Go ahead and get this stupid hose off of the air box. Okay, and we'll rotate that out of the way. This can go over there. Yeah. Okay, I need to not forget that that's there. Alright, now we have been granted full access. You're gonna go ahead and push this clip off the back side. Alright, she's out of there. I gotta go get some tools for that. Alright, so to get that fuel line off, I got a 3/8 disconnect here. And you're gonna stick her in there like that. Okay, and off she comes. Look at that. Alright, I'm just gonna leave that there for now, I suppose. Okay. Now you're gonna have, what are these, 10s? Yep, 10s. 10 millimeters for your fuel rail. Alright, go ahead and get them off. Fuel rail is ready to come off. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get all of the injector clips out. I guess I already took that one off. All right, let's go ahead and get these injectors out of here. Really easy, just side clips. Apparently that one's broke. Nice. This one's also broken. Okay. All right, let's see if this bad girl comes out of here. Oh yeah, she's stuck. Man, I think it's stuck. Oh, you know what? I know what the freaking problem is, because I missed a bolt. The one that was in the back here apparently was double nutted. Didn't know that until now. This ought to get her out of there. Now she should come out. Alright, try it again. Alright. Look at that. Wasn't so stuck after all. Well, this one's stuck. What the hell? Come on. Alright, and you know what we do with this? I don't know. And that's why I'm asking you guys. What do I do with this? Probably just gonna keep it as spares, I guess. Oh yeah, this thing's not gonna know what to do. Wow, we're getting fuel now. Sweet, so we got that old fuel rail off of there. Let's go ahead and get this new one on here. It's got a big W because we're a winner. Alright. I did have to pull out one of the old injector O-rings from one of the intake plenums. No big deal, but just wanted to let you guys know in case you also have to do that. Double check. Make sure you're not losing anything in there, because if you go to put your new injectors in, you're going to be like, why isn't this thing going in here? And, well, it's because of that. Okay, let's go ahead and wiggle them down in there. Be nice and gentle with her. Don't want to ruin any of these O-rings. Have to go buy more, but you know what? If you do, you do. Sometimes that's just the way it goes. Okay. Alright. So, this fuel rail didn't come with anything to bolt it down. Or wait, did it? Let's see. Alright, so I managed to lose the hardware. I can't find it anywhere. I've been looking for like an hour. I don't know where it's at, but I just want to see if this even works. So I'm hoping none of these leak, but we're gonna see. So I just put everything together. All the injectors are clipped in. I got the fuel line on. I'm gonna go ahead and prime it a few times, and then hopefully it'll fire up and not leak fuel everywhere. Alright, let's check for leaks. Surprisingly, don't see any. Alright. well, that's pretty much going to be all I got for you tonight. I really don't understand where that hardware went. I tell you, man, I put stuff down and then immediately forget that I put it down. I don't know what that noise was. I don't know if you can hear that on the video or not. Probably not, but... Alright everyone, so after a few days of looking, I hate to even admit to that, I did find the fuel rail hardware, so thankfully I got it bolted on and it's good to go. I did drive it a couple times and it didn't really seem like it had any issues. It seems like all the injectors are working. So like I said, I'm gonna give you guys a good picture of that real quick. It's just a cheap eBay fuel rail, and like I said, I got these 4-hole injectors from the junkyard out of a 4.7 V8, and I'm hoping that at some point I can, I don't know, we'll see, maybe we'll get some boost going to this one too, who knows. But that'll definitely be a future video if we ever even get to that. Man, I wish this front bumper was done here better. It looks sweet. But anyways, thanks for watching everybody. If you haven't yet, please give me a subscribe and like the video. Leave some comments. Let me know what kind of content you guys are looking for and what I can do better on my channel to make it better for you guys. Sweet. Yeah. All right. Thanks again, everybody. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, and we'll see you in the next video.